ipipe guys incomplete makunganantsanga. Like why kwamele waste imali? Imagine buying a flavor and then we pay minjalo. An example, imagine like ngisuka kithi ngigcoke netonga yami entsha guys. Ngiyayikhumula for one round guys, one round.
He knows how to play. That's why I said this.
Ningasettle for bad sex. Kunabantu abamnandi phanga phandle bazistore. You're a great cook. It does not matter ukuthi upheka ngale people. You understand?
But like if it's all about size thing, you're like your PP is too small. Like there's nothing I can do. So it means it's the end of the road. You understand? Because as men, I think first round you guys should be on top.
Yo guys, I can tell you we're on top. I can.
Before we get into today's video, guys, t-shirts are still available. 200 each, 350 for 2. Get yours today, guys. Enjoy today's video. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I want to drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. Today, guys, we'll be doing Q&A. I got the one and only Lady Makaveli. So guys, we'll be doing some Q&A here and there, you know, getting to know each other. You know, because, you know, guys, she's always dropping bombs. Every time when she's in each and every episode they have to pick up. She's the girl. So she's like that. So I wrote 10 questions that I have to ask her. So I hope she does have 10 for me.
Okay.
Even if like before we start shooting, she was saying, nah, I didn't write anything.
No, I did not.
Why? Why not?
Why should I write down something that I already have in my head?
We're gonna hear from here, guys. If she says she does have 10, well,
not 10 maybe, but I do have questions.
But it has to be 10.
Okay, I'll come up with something.
So you just want to remix this one, né?
Yeah, let's see.
So okay, the first question is, okay guys, I'll be holding my phone most of the time, né? Because I wrote my stuff on my phone.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't want people saying like I'm being rude and
nah, it's okay. Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah. The first question is this, né? What are your pet peeves when it comes to dating? Pet peeves is something that you don't like or something that you hate.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
No, Stole, why are you even asking me that?
No, but honestly, it doesn't have anything to do with your relationship or something.
You are telling and you go with some guys for offer. Yeah, fun. Yeah, either way, it's nice.
Sure.
I don't know, man. Mara guys, for me, it's not even about money.
Okay. Alright.
So, it's just not meant for me. Like I get quite I gotta be free at some point, you know. Like someone who's gonna claim Uguti, they always busy and all that. Guys, after all song, like si busy. We forever busy. But because you know Uguti, there's that one person or as Uguti, we are mtanda or whatsoever.
And then you have to give your time to that person.
To that person. Guys, it's not even about money. You know when you love someone.
Yeah.
Like bengisanokujudge abantu, you know, Sithole, you might find umuntu oright atshola nomuntu obhemayo and ask yourself ukuthi
ubonani. Yeah, I see.
Inhliziyo ayiphakelwa, ne? Like ayiphakelwa, you don't dish up for your heart. Mara mina. Ne? Nalaba ngathi ungishelile kwaba mnani ngabe ukuthi hayi lo mfana uyangichaza and all that. If you won't have my time, then I'm so sorry. Like I just can't stall him. I just love being with my person. No, so if you can't be with me, then you're definitely not for me. For the streets. So guys, mostly it's the time. You know.
Time,
Ogunye kuzolanda.
No, I hear you. So somebody have to make time for you.
Yeah, they have to.
No, I got you.
Even if it's maybe busy Monday to Friday, yeah, Saturday, at least, like, that's all that matters. You being with me, like, hey, guys.
Damn, that's crazy, man.
Like,
so you really value like time that much, like you have to make time.
You have to make time. Like, it's fine, I'm not working and all that. Maybe I don't get busy.
Yeah.
There are days whereby I know I have to do this and that, and surely today and all that. But then,
like, so now you're taking even this pipe thing like it's a thing, like you have to go out and
yeah, I go out. Guys, I go out. I won't smoke git, like I have a pipe. Mara like ngeng payment you and git. So obviously ngizophuma nye kumngane wami sishaye scafe. Plus vele mina umngane wami yabo mayifike pipe in bafethu ayipipe limnandi although guys sounds good high. Some people say liyakulisana and all that, but
yeah, it does.
Limnandi.
Nah, but
no, guys, the only time a pipe is okulisa is when you smoke the cheap flavors that you guys smoke.
You know, guys.
I've been smoking.
You know, guys. If somebody don't want to quit something, they always have something to defend that thing. You know, whenever they're gonna say, "Yeah, guys, please don't come home."
No, my flavor cheap.
Asemakuleni.
I work right, my flavor, guys.
Man.
Why? Okay, so the singer Kitina, guys. Guys, you guys have been smoking. Mara, as guys said, says Wabati, Usbanbani, Usespedlen, and all that. I guess we have a flavor cheap. It's not even about me not wanting to leave a pipe. I'm trying, guys.
Wait. Because now you're going deep into this pipe thinking. Like, how many times must you smoke like per day? Should you start in the morning, afternoon, and late? Like,
well, guys, yes, you know, like I love blooming namachit.
Yeah.
So yeah, like being talento de yoguti, you know, like gunomonyu umfana that I grew up with, like since abangani from grade 4.
Okay.
So basically, he was my best friend, you know. So like being it's like every day, mangvuga ngivukela kubo. Uhlala kude ohlala ensansi after clinic benya every day. So like I wouldn't mind uphuma ngo6 ne.
Yeah.
Ngiphume ngo6
in the morning.
Yes. Ngibuyele kithi ngabo 8 or ngabo 7 years ukuthi I'm going to catch a taxi. Ngiphuma kithi ready sengezile kube ngathi kuseni. Hey.
No way.
Ikona. So I'm not going to say kwameng peme ini yabo if like you say exen with Bascafe exen ne siyazi ukuthi maybe bakhona basafunda matric and all that, you understand. Yeah. Okay.
So you buy lahla, you buy
a flavor. No weed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You buy because incomplete magnanansa. Like why kwamele waste imali? Imagine buying a flavor and then we pay minjalo. Like enjoy.
Wait. So are you guys mixing this thing?
Yeah, mixing flavor and weed.
Then when you burn it, together and whatnot.
Yeah, obviously, as far as way to a copy and then close in a foil and then put ishala pezul and then we smoke and then we get high.
Oh my God, I can't imagine.
Yeah, guys, it went, man. This so it's
no, okay. Damn, guys, this Q&A now is turning into something else. Now what I know now. Wait, so the first time you smoke weed, how did you feel? Did you lead like they're saying? A lot of people see things, people, yeah.
Hi guys.
Hallucinations and whatnot.
No, guys, the thing is, it's not even about insang. Some people like add stuff, maybe insang wenzabo, you know. Ngengathenga insang and then ngahluleka nokuyipema. Like guys, I once bought weed and a big ready made.
Oh yeah.
So it was already made. Like so literally I took 2 puffs and already being used which is in shy. All I wanted to do was sleep. Like bengikhathele like bengalifuni lapha. I told myself, you know what, today ngizolibhema i-joint. Mara when I got it and I was like, nah, lo mangiceda ukucima nje. I threw it away and I told myself ukuthi leli noma ngavuka ngenjani ngeke ngikwazi ukulibhema.
So do you think like I don't know, man, are you guys smoking skunk or something? Because there's these things they're saying.
Well, abantu ne bastoka endaweni different. You understand?
Course, yeah.
So Usneyman is definitely selling something different. You know, of which like sometimes usanokuthenga insango and then we fake maybe a flavor in yakho. Ubheme maruzi ukuthi no man, nothing is happening.
Yeah.
You understand?
It's more so like you're just smoking like a cigarette or
like,
something. Like
bheme flavor.
Or a flavor, exactly.
Yeah. So fan I'm a dirty pipe person, ne.
Okay.
Mangabhema I pipe. Like a clean pipe with flavor pen. Ngizophathwa ikhanda or I'm gonna get tired. Like I'm practical. But if I get weed and then I just know good side, this one is the one. Is the one, guys. So
this is crazy. So people who smoke pipe and whatnot, they've been smoking weed inside. It doesn't just happen with
no, most people smoke it with flavor pen. You know, there are people who don't smoke weed. I've been at a place where by laba abagule side bazophe clean by plab and then see now we smoking this. There's other time like Ekaslam ne because it's not even far from Giti. So it's even opposite. So I went there this one time and then we found this group of guys. They were smoking pipe. And then Nati basically now and all that. Like guys in Mangalese ngithi ngaseta nenkrapa nentsango ngithi ngiyayifaka ngezwa bathi akusi pipe lentsango leliya. And I was like, kanjani guys? Uyathatha COVID uyopema guys. Ngiyasenza guys.
You know what? I saw what's the name of this lady? Just I don't want to expose her, but like maybe I'm gonna bimp her name or something. Masliva. There's a lady named Masliva. She stays around.
I don't know. I don't know.
There's this chick, Ufagama Loana, like Masilvan or what? No, is it? No, man. Asu Masliva. Who's that one? I don't know, but like, yeah. I think they're on a groove or something. Some guy, but hey, I was like, what is going on here? God, I think he on the name.
Yeah, but some people add stuff. Kuzo.
Yeah.
You see, some people add stuff. Was ban gutu kon muntu ngathi ubhema intsango ezikuthayile ngishaya mina and then wants to add something. You understand?
Damn.
So which is why you don't just get to smoke like kunoma uban, you know, because you never know what's gonna happen and all that. Fano guti, if yazni
talk to me.
Fano guti mayo puzane, and then you wanna go pee or something, you have to go to the toilet, and then you leave your thing here.
You're drinking.
I've seen videos go TikTok about to like mabambi na banganba umuntu makabuya uyayithatha into yakhe
I saw that.
Some people you can never
my big
akumele nabo bayiphuze sibone ukuthi vele nothing happened. Like
so just busy. You guys are drinking, you're having fun, is now. But you don't trust your surroundings.
No, Stole, it's rene.
Yeah.
Ukuthola ukuthi umuntu ogenze into embi umuntu ongamazi.
Damn.
You understand?
Okay.
It's always the ones that are closer to you. Kwazi bani ukuthi mina ngihlelela angikuthandi Sithole. Deep down nje sengiyasho nje ukuthi yo lo mangamuthi nje ngathela ino ngambona ashayiswe imoto or something, just because people are smiling to your face does not mean they literally like you. Yeah, but one thing about us black people, guys, I'm also part of it. Like we master pretending. We master jealousy. Like that's what one thing about mostly girls. It's always that way. So mina shame yabo mangashi pia. Mina into ebhlungu uthi once I never hear a mistake, because like ngisanokukhohlwa. When I come back, I'm taking it and I'm throwing it away. Like I don't have time for ukuthi taster.
Yeah.
No.
It's fine. If someone I phone is no, you can have this one.
For real, yes, like it was tall. Ngenga istomne, and then I drank it like pam gwabantu engbathembayo like
yeah.
You know. And I left. When I came back, like I felt like there was something wrong.
You are feeling sleepy or dizzy or something.
I felt like I wanted to drink Mara, I felt like there was something inside. Like maybe baseball or something. Or maybe I wanted to be bang bonus. Like people didn't see anything wrong. Like in Sanoguti needs Lengas is Kotlela. Give it like that. So guys, I don't trust people.
Oh my gosh.
I do not trust
people. So you think like people can even think that?
Like, you have another things in Manuel. I even asked my friend Uti, Nishan what if someone came and did that?
Yeah.
Guys. So I don't trust people. I don't trust people. So it's totally
oh my gosh. Hey, when you overthink? You overthink, Chum.
We are bound I took overthink about young savings in anything.
But like, what if like nothing happened on your dream? You are just finishing. You're just finishing for nothing.
You're better safe than sorry.
No, I hear you.
I like to say.
No, I hear you. I hear you. Do you have anything that you have? Because it have to go both ways.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Let's cook.
So when you once told me,
yeah,
Uguti, you don't date.
Yeah.
Because hey, Amantomas are not Sunday. No, guys. I understand. Like, we are offended. I was telling.
What do you mean?
No, you offended.
No, but like, what do you mean?
Like, Usole was like.
No, but like. But like. No.
Guys, I just said it. When he asked me, I said. Inanoma, ungambasha she, magube yaktanda.
No, I hear you. Okay. Can I explain myself now?
Explain yourself.
Listen, guys. This is coming from how can I put this? Nowadays, especially nowadays, it's very rare to find somebody who cares like as you do. You see, you mentioned time. You were like, I don't care about money. I don't care about anything. But like, can you just please come see me? You know, chill with me. Tell me you love me. Then we are home, and that's what I need. Ne? But it's only 1% of you guys. A lot of people, I'm telling you, it's only.
Mara, it's true.
It's only 1% of you guys. Girls will tell you, like, young Tanda, like, okay, no, young Tanda, like, that's it. Like, yo, no, bro.
Guys,
even
if you want money, go work for it.
Damn,
work for it.
But you see,
no, yes, if
but you see, I was watching Open Chats, ne? There was a lady who went to this podcast, Open Chats and stuff. She was like, yo, I pay for my bills. I'm paying my grocery. So she felt like she have achieved so much. She felt like, yo, I'm on top of the world. Like, you can't tell me anything. They was like, yo, what's wrong with you? You are paying a rent for yourself. She was, yes. She thinks like she's making your point. She was like, yes, I pay for my... And you're buying your own groceries. Yes, I'm paying my own... I was like, yo, but like, you are supporting yourself. Who should do that for you? You're supposed to take care of yourself.
From the start,
but like now, I'm trying to tell you that like a lot of people are dummies like that. People don't see people don't see anything, bro. People, they just want you to take care of them. From Insipo, from iPad, from bro.
Mara, okay, guys. Yes, in me.
People have lost love. I don't wanna lie, bro.
Yes,
so it even scares me.
No, Mara, either ways.
Yeah.
Me now, some girls, guys, never understand. You know.
What do you mean?
Like never understand us, Tom. Like. When you can't, like, guys, the thing is that I've always told most of my friends, and they were like, well, I'm going to take this again, guys. It's not even you know, like, we always try to the point. Because, like, no, that's because, it's me not son.
Something.
When sharp, lento oil dive.
Yeah.
Uti, in a yellow ban. So when you were, it's fine. So when I get it, because it's mine.
Yeah.
Mara, after all, like my pussy, I ain't using it alone. When I often get an ex, guys, about they are my pets and all that. I've heard, like, I've seen posts on Facebook about Tubashuti, those small things, the outing I enter, you know. What's gonna happen if I decide to come, Lana, or your girlfriend decides to come, ne? And then suddenly, my period. You know,
no, that is, it's an emergency. Even me, even if you're not like my girl or anything, if you can say, Stolisha got like a funny feeling, and I know once this starts, like I can do something.
If you know Gucci, there's a girl and all that.
What do you mean now?
No,
wait. Wait. Are you saying?
I mean, I was supposed Gucci ngithathe imali yokuyenza isikhathi shop. It's fine, guys. Mina nginayo imali yokuzenza ikhaya.
Okay, I hear you.
But then once in a while nawe spoil umuntu wakho. Guys, nina wayekho mesintshele yonke.
Guys.
Singaze stole from January to December ungakazi wangenzisa inwele le.
No, I'm not
just
saying
because wena
okay.
Mama expect ukuthi ungisurprise uzofile ngathi ngikuthandela imali or I'm using.
No. Look. Guys. Us as gents, ne, when it comes to dating, ne, automatically we know we have to provide. It's an instinct of a guy.
I am a daughter stinch.
Oh no! You see, listen. The problem is when someone asks for money. That's where it's tricky. I was like, oh, okay.
Same guys.
It doesn't mean
all those people who always ask for money from me. Young offender
exactly.
Exactly.
So Leon, it scares guys a lot when somebody comes and asks for a man. He has like money at time. Okay, it's fine.
No matter. Okay,
it's fine. Send the money at time. There's always gonna be pellaring something. So somewhere I'm busy.
You my man. I'm not that. I'm so cool, man. Guys, I buy myself a time, yabo. Imagine Golota Telkom imali ngoba vele ngiphantsula ngizengacabanga ukuthi yazi ngathi ngasiluma le sim card ngesilahlelele ngithole esinye ngikhohlwe isikoloto mara whenever I get money ngiyasibhada isikoloto sami ngiyasehlisa siyahla masiphelile ngikolotise futhi.
No, but like it's exactly what I was trying to tell you. It's not a matter of like, but it's a matter of you asking. Now it's like,
okay, what if it's an emergency?
Well, if it's an emergency,
I never ask you for anything, like, or maybe it's 50-50 when you have money. Okay, mina guys, I believe it's like in relationships,
yeah, I hear you.
Spoilana should be a norm.
Yeah, it should.
You get me?
It should be.
I just know Gucci. If I'm broke and we have to hang out, I know my gen has my back. You understand? Now, you know what? Maybe I'm broke and all that, but I know that my chick has my back. It has to be that way.
Honestly speaking, even like now, like now, this is me. Even now, if ever, let's say, okay, we're busy shooting like videos, shooting podcasts and everything. If there's like an emergency, and you say, yo, Sitola, I'm stuck. Like, yo, I need help right now. What I'll ask you on a cut like if I got something, I'm sending you right away.
I am phone me no monto send la 100 rand.
What do you mean?
Millions.
Oh,
I never ask for help. I want to stitch me, man.
But you can't be asking for thousands if we are still on hundreds. Some of us we're on hundreds.
Make a plan.
Wait. But you see, now I don't mind. You see, now I don't blame your boys now. When
no, but okay,
yeah,
that's why. But for us to get to that point, I was like, yes, imagine, okay, guys, then understand this.
Imagine, you're thinking about
Nani magube feeling at maybe umuntu uyazithenga no mara like okay guys naku nyakeza ne ngiba muhle guys like ngiba encourage ngimuntu ne ngizigibelisile okuqala. You get me?
Yeah.
And then I'm coming to you. We're going to spend time. Like I said, I love spending time. Ne?
With your person is.
It's fine. So you're expecting me to like naksasa mangbi like it. Like imagine.
No, come on.
That's the thing. So it's so wrong. Imagine like fanu gibela itaxi uye maybe eOrlando kuphi for a sleepover se one round guys. For 1 round. No guys, some things are just not okay. No man, like
how did it get there?
No, like it's an example. Imagine like in Sugagit ngogene tonyami guys. Ngiyakhumula for 1 round guys, 1 round. Ngabe sizilalela guys. Wait. No, Mara. So, I ngize ku sleep over for 1 round. So, guy one, just allow.
Wait. We went there, so king. Wait. So, if you are going to your boy for a sleepover, how many rounds should the boy go?
Oh, as many as he can. No, I'm not saying it's like guys. People get tired.
Okay. Yeah? Should I give you a trick for next time?
Okay.
When you visit your person.
Okay.
The problem is they don't want to take charge, guys. Because as men, I think first round you guys should be on top.
Yo, guys, I tell you, we're on top. Guys.
You're kidding me. Guys.
Ngonele post ku Facebook bathi angazi thina amantombazana azenza ama mechanic isihlezi abantu bethu. Hayi guys, ufuna ukuhamba hambe nale machine phezulu.
Guys, I'm telling you guys, this is a tip for all ladies. If you know, like you are hot, like you are like yo, today I just want to have fun. Make sure you take control. Make sure when you get there, tell your boy, you know what?
Yeah, Mara,
let me ride you.
I do take control. Mara, Leo Krairana, guys.
Yeah.
Never seen.
Why?
Aibo. Yeah.
Why?
But
like, angeke na usola.
Husband. No, never. Never. Mara, honestly, like guys, but if you're out here, you can invite her for sleep. Sharp, if you're funny around, I'll visit during the day.
Open the boy.
Sleep over for 1 round, guys. No man, that must get
guys,
it's not okay. So you know, ne?
Yeah.
I felt like maybe yes, ne.
I'm listening.
Either ways. As between abafana namantombazana abobana bomosheka kuqala mara either ways it does not matter.
Girls.
Yeah, but there was a point whereby guys I'm heavy, ne? I'm a good girl. I'm a church goer. I don't.
She's a church goer, guys.
Yeah. Yes. And then so hey when I was told us one day about
talk to me, girl.
My boyfriend was like I feel right, guys.
Like how?
And I was like, why? Ati anyumpumuzi like stolen like me wakungena emnyango already I'ma start kissing guys
yeah.
Spend maybe a week ungamboni umuntu wakho so mayiza ngifuna ukuthi sihevele lelo viki besingabonani
we must cover for the other weeks.
Exactly. And then I said that's the ngisandokumzwela I thought he was joking mara mayithi yacaba yabona ukuthi maybe as nami I'm asking for too much.
No man, he's just playing a sim game. Yes, the visa. Asikho story sakhe.
Gaste. Mara nanoma ngazidefisa guys. Hey, abanye abantu guys. advice from me.
She just wanna say. I think what you wanted to say there, you already said it. She was like, he knows how to play. That's why I'm saying this.
Ninga said clearly for bad sex.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, I've always said, if you're a great cook, it does not matter what you pick on people. You understand? That people use for pegging, if you know how you see. You two pieces of Kenya. Okay. So you guys shouldn't be like maybe Usbanbani, Pussy Ken Kulu. That's why you're not enjoying.
But
and
if
it's not even all. Okay, no fun. If you people why boys never wanna admit?
Because it's naturally the other one is man-made.
Man-made guns. So even people who gave birth.
Yeah.
Yes, the things went back.
Yeah.
You understand?
But like,
so I understand no maka either way. Okay, maybe amantamazana ainsi mistake yoguti from big sharks they go back. You understand?
Yeah.
Maybe it's because of that.
I think that's the problem.
Yeah,
I think that's the problem.
Because of that, yes. Guys, X. Sex, guys.
Yeah, that's true.
So just because when I'm boneng cholano chulani last week, instead cholano spam manje, besen kabanguti ye loya guys. As long as Axi Axian.
That's why they even says Uguti. That's why they even says Uguti it's a body count. If your body she didn't count it, I try for you. I'm telling you.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Guys, today it was all about the question and answers. And it's massive. I have this question for you, and I feel like it was your turn to ask me, but you'll ask after. I wanna ask this. So if you find someone and you'll start dating, if the person, if feel during sex, kwamele azikhalisa yenze ngathi uya-enjoya because when are you enjoying? Guys, it happens, ne?
Wait.
We are enjoying, mara yena she's not.
Yeah.
You get me? So would you prefer ukuthi azimonise ukuthi akezwa next or akutshela ukuthi sithole no yetsa amasepa kopho phaka?
Okay, one thing about me, ne? From my exes that I once dated back in the days.
Back in the days.
So my chat is this. I talk too much. And I make sure Uguti, are you good where you are? Like, yo, talk to me. Like, how can I put this? Lady Machiavelli, I'm someone who move people from their comfort zone until you tell me, Uguti, no, this is how I want it. Okay, let's say for an example, let's say you dated like 5 guys, ne?
Okay.
Is
that possible, guys?
Yeah, it is. It is.
I shoot again. Mina. Abanye ayabakazi bangichamisa kimi. Ulowa manje ngomisa. Abanye shooting nje vele. Oh guys.
So listen. So DJ Envy, ne? There's a guy named DJ Envy Emery.
Okay.
He Lona Breakfast Club and whatever. That guy confessed with umfazi wakhe. She said, baby, I was young one Chamisa for 20 something years.
Guys.
Yeah.
She still stays.
Yeah. So now, so my chat is this. I'm one person who's very open. I don't want you to fake it. Why are you faking it?
Guys, yazi kunabafana ne abangekho right emakhanda. Umuntu uzomtshela ukuthi ayisipower yenza izona umuntu akushaya.
No.
Some people are not okay.
Nah.
Okay.
No, those are sick people. Those are you guys even stop dating sick people. So
like either ways, ngiyayibona lento guys. Nami questioning you it's something else. Like okay, even if like you pretend.
Yeah. Also pretend for
uzokhohlwa ukuthi hey ngikhambe phela. Ukwahliwe so thulile ngamanye ukuthi bekakhala to say guys into
Yes. So I'm one person who makes sure, like I convince you, yeah? First thing first. Even if like let's say it's first round, I can say that like maybe you were too shy, maybe you didn't wanna be yourself and everything, yeah?
Okay.
You're charged. Then I start talking some random things and whatnot to make sure which I wake up the dirty mind of you. That's when there's no way. But like you know which when you wanna come, it's either it's fast or slow or I don't know, freaking the bean or somewhere there. You understand? Then it was always okay, this is how I want these things to be. So I'm that person, so you don't have to fake it.
You don't have to fake
it. You don't have to fake it.
So Nanama actually would I enjoy, would you still carry on dating the person or
no, remember the point is all about fixing.
Okay.
I guess imagine is like we love each other. Ne? So we wanna make these things work. And now I must make sure I meet you halfway. So what am I doing to make sure but like if it's all about size thing, you're like your PP is too small, like there's nothing I can do. So it means it's the end of the road. You understand?
Yeah.
But like if it's that, well, there's nothing I can do. You understand? So it means I'm just swimming on the ocean there. You understand?
No, I get you.
Yeah. So I'm one person who really knows how to convince someone, who know how to work in the other side. Then I like, cause each and every person, guys, have like a dirty mind and a dirty side. It just needs to be integrated.
I don't. No. Guys, LO was my favorite subject. Ne? Like, I love sex talks, but I don't love sex.
Okay, I hear you.
You get me?
I hear
like, I love... Yeah, but I'm a conversations about sex and all that. Like, singakhuluma from la size sofika eLimpopo. But when it comes to that...
Yeah.
Like,
She's lying, guys.
Like, for real.
You're lying.
Okay, guys,
someone was busy complaining that like, yo, you don't give... can you please... Only yes, it's catching perfume. Always yet she's saying, yo, I don't do that.
For real.
No.
Guys, ne.
As much as you said, if umuntu wakho pay.
In my podcast is so good. Says no, guys.
What do you mean?
No, so like for real, me ne.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, I've had sex, ne. And
many times.
Many times.
No, I was just passing.
Times, guys.
I was just passing.
Then I've dated. Mara, when it came to sex, it's something else. Like
you have to feel the person.
You understand? Yeah. You can't just sleep with everyone you're dating.
And you said something very important. You said when you go to your person, when you enter the door, like it's because you feel your person.
Yo, yeah. Guys, abafana bayahathana guys. Man thola isikhathi nike nomjolo.
Yeah.
You know ne?
Yeah. Talk to me.
Guys, labantu laba bayenza ama no strings attached. Like mina nyaba sukumisela izandla and all that. It's a good thing, you know.
What do you mean? Like
ukuthi mina I wouldn't do it, ne? Cuz like
how? What are you talking about? No strings attached.
No strings attached. Like we decide which, you know what, okay,
oh yeah. Like your friends would
you're not allowed to fall in love.
Yeah, I see.
But those people, I feel like Google, it's a lot better, guys. Go no Gucci, you know Gucci, this person is my man and all that, you understand? It's a lot more complicated. But like my relationships,
but
like
mostly it's done by white people.
Yeah, because Tina, we fall in love. Guys.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't imagine needing no strings attached. So,
oh
you know, one thing about me, sorry. If me, I want you to be mine.
Yeah.
Alone. So if you so bona when ubani usibandana pha, kikohlanya. Yo guys, mina kikohlanya shame sorry. Yabo sengathi. Hey. Ngizithanda umuntu ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Angenzi slim. It's totally shame. I'm ready. I'm ready to get arrested.
Guys, our Q&A is went sound whenever we didn't even do Q&A, guys. So tune in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. We're still gonna shoot more with Lady Machiavelli. There's more that she's gonna be cooking. She's gonna be coming back with more. Anything that you wanna plug?
Yo, guys, I don't know.
But there's this what is this thing? You went to bar. I think there's like a clothesline that they gave you.
Yeah. Brand, guys.
If you wish to advertise.
No, guys. A business as advertiser.
Wait. So wait. So you bought those ones?
Yeah.
Oh,
no,
shit.
like
I thought they gave
like,
you.
I've always wanted it.
Oh.
Like, guys.
Oh yeah, I know.
I'm have to have. Okay, basically colored because my dad is colored and all that. But I love sutus so much since since my mom is one. So they brand there, it's the best, guys. Ukuthi nje mina angithandi advertisers.
No,
abantu mabazi it. Mara when it comes to GP Gangster, guys, I don't mind. I do not mind. Yabo mawuqoka GP Gangster, then we insha.
I didn't know you bought.
No, you have been wanting it. Okay, I've been needing it or whatsoever. Mara GP Gangster, guys. So you should get yourself something at GP Gangster. You know, like that trend is so awesome.
What should I get? A t-shirt?
Yeah, plus it has different designs. Like designs are different. Guys, if you don't know GP Gangster, it does not mean you're a gangster or something. Because I know, GP Gangster is giving
wait, because I saw you on other pictures, you're wearing 50 niggas, and 50 niggas have tattoos of like your AKs and whatnot. So do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't. But I'm planning to get one soon, guys.
You want a tattoo?
Well, keeper. No, I wanted. Yes, smile now, cry later, and guys.
Which one?
AK-47.
Oh, you want the
yes, but obviously mine should be different, you know. Yeah, guys.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Why are you even going there?
No, I was just Gabi. No, but I said I saw you wearing.
Yeah, because I'm a 50 queen Stole. I'm a proud one, Nakona, you know. Like, yeah.
Okay, I was just passing, guys. Don't forget, guys.
It's also a nice print, though. And then now they have different designs and all that. It's awesome. It's awesome, you know.
I got you.
It's awesome.
So we're still going to be cooking more, guys. We're going to be coming back with more content. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Go and follow her on her Facebook, which is Lady Machiavelli.
Lady Machiavelli Shakur. TikTok, Lady Machiavelli Shakur, like on all platforms.
So please go and follow her, guys. Let's grow her brand so she can advertise. So people can send clothes. She mustn't buy clothes, guys, because she's a brand herself, guys. So people can send her clothes so she can advertise for you on a platform. So why not?
Yeah. And if you guys have questions, and then you can drop them. Section.
Anything that you want us to talk about it, guys.
You can also let us
know. Now she's available. You're still gonna see her on like different podcasts here on the channel, guys. So it's gonna be me and her. We're still gonna be cooking a lot. There's a lot that is coming. So stay tuned. Alright.